Hey, I'm Alex, and I am a junior at the Westfield Technical Academy. And this is the P14 Lamello camlock, and we are going to be assembling it and putting the face frame onto the carcass.
Hello, my name is Wayne Bush. I'm an instruction teacher here at Westfield Technical Academy. We're doing cabinet making. We're showing off the process of the Lamello here. What we did previously, we had the dado of the face frame, pocket screws, and having this opportunity to do this with the students gives us an opportunity to take the face frames off and just use those in the spray booth to do the finishing. Previously, we had to take the whole carcass in there, tape it all off, and this has been a complete game changer for us as being a small shop teaching instruction to give them the opportunity to have the ability to do this stuff. The clamor gives us an opportunity to take the face frame on and off, which is great for the students because everything isn't perfect. So we have an opportunity to assemble, disassemble. And the key thing is going to be for our spray booth. We got a carcass together, and now it gives us an opportunity to take the face frame out by itself and spray it. The fitment has been the hardest with the students, so this gives us unbelievable opportunity to do multiple steps to make it happen. Okay, another thing I'd like to share is we have students make different face frames, different students make different parts, and we assemble them. So having the opportunity to use this Lamello system, we can pre-make face frames and then attach it to the carcasses as we build. Again, we take them off like this afterwards, and then behind us we can paint them. So now different students can work on different parts at different times. And we would only be able to do it with this system. The other way was just the carcass would be fully assembled. So another cool feature we're doing with the product too is we're pre-assembling everything here before we finish. Now we can check alignment of doors, drawers, trash bin, make sure everything comes together and it's right before we go to finish. Then we do is we're going to take the face frames off and get them into the paint booth. We can now take these carcasses to the job site and assemble the face frames there. Keep the plumbers going, keep everybody going too. So it gives us a little relief in the shop with this system to be able to take those face frames off. All right, I'd like to come back to the machine here. What's been unbelievable for our students here is how versatile this machine is and easy to set it up. They made it simple that even the students can do it. So that makes it great for the industry. How they have everything labeled. The fences are nice and sturdy and straight, easy to put on. So the kids are having a really easy time putting it on. Lining up the holes, the jigs are unbelievable. What I really liked about it is it's hard to stay organized in the shop. So their kit that they got with us is everything is organized, labeled, pieces go back together. We're not losing stuff. It gives the kids an opportunity to kind of see what's changing in the industry. This has been a game changer, like I said earlier, of what we've been doing in the shop. But having the kids the opportunity to do this, it's going to be in other shops. It's just unbelievable experience.